Are you ready to take your forex trading to the next level? Are you looking for a community of traders to help you succeed? Look no further than my forex trading Discord group, Trading with Trend. And the best part is, it's free to join. My group is designed to help traders of all levels master the art of forex scalping and achieve consistent profits. Here's what you can expect when you join my Discord community. 1. A custom indicator. We have custom coded a TradingView indicator to help detect trends and pullbacks in order to get sniper-like entries. This tool will help you spot high probability trades to maximize your returns. 2. Comprehensive training. For our free members, we offer a 4-part video series as well as a 20-page PDF breaking down how to trade with the trend and how our indicators work. These resources cover everything you need to know about scalping forex pairs, as well as popular techniques and tools to help you become successful. Number 3, live trading sessions. Every week I host several live trading sessions where you can come hop on the charts with me live. You'll see how I analyze the market, make my trading decisions, and manage my trades in real time. Number 4, small group live training sessions. In addition to our live trading sessions, we also offer small group live training sessions. These sessions are designed to help you improve your trading skills and get personalized one-on-one feedback from expert traders. Number 5, an interactive community. Finally, our Discord group is an interactive and helpful community where you can connect with other traders, ask questions, and share your ideas. You'll have access to a wealth of knowledge and experience as well as the support that you need to succeed. Don't miss out on this opportunity to join a group of successful traders and take your forex trading to the next level. And best of all, it's completely free to join. Join our Forex Trend Scalping Discord group today and start scalping your way to consistent profits. It won't be free forever, so join right now or miss out.